Hey, thanks for checking out the video. I thought I'd make a sound clip of how the bike sounds before I get the exhaust job done this weekend. So at the minute it's got a cat, it's got the stock system, and I've got an FC Project CRT end can. So as you can imagine, the cat soaks up most of the sound. I'll try and open her up a bit now in a minute if I get past this traffic. Basically getting full stainless pipes installed, getting her remapped. Just wanted to get a quick video beforehand so I can do it before and after. I'm not really looking for more power, it's just she's a high mileage bike. It's got about 55,000 kilometers. I want to get it checked over, get a compression tested as well. Compression test to make sure that it's worth doing the rest of the work on it and the engine's not going to pop. But I know this feels pretty smooth, so we'll hope for the best. So this is how she sounds at the minute. Doesn't sound too bad in fairness. And I always feel really fucking weird talking to myself on the bike because I'm not used to this vlogging crack. So bear with me. So there is a nice tone out of the SC Project with the cat on, but you can just tell that the cat is soaking up all of the good noises, all of the proper raspiness, and all the bass. I've had this bike about 3 years, well, it'll be 3 years next month, and it's my daily all year round, so I've racked up the mileage on it big time. But it was either get a new bike or put some money into this bike and knock a few years out of it, and it's been a good bike. I've been really lucky on it, been very reliable, no major issues that I didn't cause myself, so I don't see why not just like show her some love, you know, get it done. Lately it's been starting to sound a bit lumpy as well at low revs. It's not too bad today, but it's been kind of hit or miss, and I just want to get it checked over. So we keep this SC Project. If it turns out that the SC Project on straight pipes is too loud, then I guess, well, I'll have earplugs anyway, but I can get a second slip on, and hopefully I'll have to ask the guys for clarification. But I can't imagine if you map a bike on one muffler and then change the muffler to another that's got similar diameter but just better silencing, it shouldn't make fuck all difference to the map, I don't think. So we'll find out. Just doing a run up to the shop here to get some cleaning goods. I want to get chain cleaner and just some shampoo. Give her a good clean before I drop it off this weekend. Don't want to be dropping it up to the bike shop and have the guys thinking I'm a dirty fucker. So let's get that done. Go in here and buy some cleaning shit. Right, that's one job done. And then hopefully the next bit of video will be bike tuned, mapped, exhaust, all that. It should be fun. This is the old one with the cat, just to get it before and after. shiny neat pipes and no rusty cap. I got a new mic adapter for the GoPro, but I haven't tried it yet with this mic. This mic was a cheap collar mic or lapelier or whatever you call it, and I think it might be a bit busted, but we'll try it anyway. Just picked up the bike from RPM and Drogheda and got the full stainless exhaust system that you're about to hear. Sounds absolutely mental. Actually going around here in 4th and 5th gear in the middle of town just to keep the revs down so I don't get fucking arrested, but it's an awful lot of fun. I'll open it up when I get out of town. One of the bonuses of having a motorbike in Dublin is you can get away with using the bus lane most of the time, which saves you a lot of traffic. So the bike's been gone for the last week. I just gave the guys a big list of stuff to fix and to look into. Because it's high mileage, I wanted to get the valves adjusted, so I got that done. They put on a stainless full system. I kept the SE Project muffler because it's good, except it's loud as fuck in this. But it was expensive, so it'll do for the minute. They changed the clutch because the clutch was fucked. They changed the oil, they changed the coolant. They added a power commander, gave it a custom map on the dyno. The exhaust that came off, he said that the bolts that were holding onto the head were so badly rusted that they were going to snap off themselves eventually, so it's a good thing I got this done when I did. It feels like a completely different bike, to be honest. I'm interested to see what this mic is like with the new GoPro adapter. The video I made before I got the exhaust on, I was using my old GoPro 3, and it has, you can get a standard USB cable and plug it into the mic and it works, whereas this is the Hero 8, so I need to get the adapter. I needed to get the adapter, which is about 50 or 60 euro, so hopefully it works. I forgot to do a drive-by audio clip with the previous exhaust, which is a shame because that would have been good to hear for comparison. I'm going to try to hide my phone over here. Hopefully nobody will spot it and pick it up. And going to do a video. If I stand it here, we should be good. Yeah. Stay phone. Don't go anywhere. Okay. There's lots of speed bumps down here, so shiny new pipes and no rusty cat. Going to get one more sound clip on the way home because we've got a M50 motorway, so we can open it up one more time and hopefully the mic picks it up. Going to be on this for long. This bike just got a hell of a lot more fun than it was before. I have a feeling it's going to get me in trouble, but I'm going to have fun doing it. This thing sounds beautiful in real life.